down low. When we were here, we were fishing right here. That's crazy. Water's so deep. Dang, look at this water. It's crazy. I'm gonna fish the dock. Nice sunset. Got a bite. Miss. What is that? Squirmy wormy. That one. Yep. Squirmy wormy. Small little dink. Look at Mrs. Dink. Squirmy wormy. Got a bass? Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah. What the? Why are you still trying to set it still? Don't let it go to the rock.
Don't let him go to the rock.
Pull him in, pull him in. You just pull him in. You got 10-pound line.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, PB! Let's go! Let's go check it out.
Put it down more. Ready? Turn to the side a little bit. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Try to catch it. That's okay. Should be able to take off.
Come on, we gotta go get our lures. Hey, dude, we gotta go get our lures, man. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like people have been walking here already. So it's been like this for almost.
Dude, I don't like this stuff. Dude,
Damn! So there is fish here, just they're deep down there. Oh my lord! Damn! Holy shit!
you get stuck at that. Oh, look, I see a frog right there. Big frog.
Froggy?
Yeah. $10 right there.
Where?
On the other side. That's $10 right there.
Oh, wow.
Don't get fish on.
Should we fish right here in this little thing?
I am. I don't know about you. Shallow equal big fish. Yo. If these fish don't move, they're gonna get trapped in here and die.
Fish can be trapped and die.
Yeah, they get stubborn or they don't know the way out, and they get stuck in this pool, and then GG. Ah! Oh look, bobber, bobber. $3,000, yes.
No, I'm just getting this thing.
Oh, is it?
Where could I fly?
Anywhere. Hello, sir. How's you? Sound like you got a big caster problem. They said take your little brother go fishing. No, it'll be fun. They say.
Yeah, it'll be so fun.
You almost had it. Psych! There you go, sir. Whoa!
Oh no!
Poo poo man, poo 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 man. Might be good here. We got beach. Saw a big carp jumping. Big carp. Like jump, big, big, big. Oh yeah. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Ooh, yalla, yalla. Ooh, bite it. Bassy, bassy. Better than scucking. Oh yeah, I got jumper, baby. Thanks, buddy.
Jackson.
By the bush.
I always gotta be by the bush.
Because they like to hide.
I like to ambush too. Got him.
They like that nigga.
Got him, baby. Whoa! Jumper. My hand was in the way. Got another one. Whee. Oh, he's jumping. Okay. Thanks, buddy. Come over here. Oh, my line's about to snap. Oh, fish on! You like that technique, King? Damn. We found the school. Oh, these nuts. That's me. Oh, got out. Twitch and then bada bing, bada boom. Try to relax, man. They're like biting hostage. Não filmar, me tu. Don Dindi, Don Dindi. Of course, it's got to be when your house leaving. Oh, we got fast stomach.